Imagine stepping into a vibrant restaurant filled with scents of food. You find your table and sit down, feeling anticipation. The laughter around you brings warmth, yet a creeping anxiety begins. You want to order, but your mind suddenly races blank. Ordering in English can feel daunting. What if you say the wrong thing? This is a common fear for many language learners. This video aims to ease those fears. Together, we will explore essential phrases for navigating restaurant menus. From greetings to ordering and asking questions, we will cover everything you need for a successful dining experience. Let's embark on this journey to boost your confidence, making dining in English an enjoyable experience for you. As we step into the restaurant, we notice a friendly waiter approaching us with a warm smile. Remember, the first phrase to use is, "Hello, a table for two, please." Practicing together, we say the phrase aloud, ensuring it feels natural. The waiter leads us to a nice table by the window, where we can enjoy the view. Next, let's learn how to ask for the menu. "Could we please have the menu?" We repeat this phrase several times until it rolls off our tongues effortlessly. The waiter returns with the menus, handing them to us with a smile. Now, let's practice a polite way to order "I would like to order." We imagine our favorite dish and confidently say, "I would like to order the pasta." The waiter takes note, encouraging us with a nod as we practice our ordering. Next, we want to ask about special offers. "Are there any daily specials today?" Repeating this phrase, we prepare to engage in a friendly conversation with the waiter. As we look over the menu, a sense of anticipation fills the air. What will catch our eye today? Feeling unsure, we decide to ask the waiter for recommendations. "What do you suggest?" we inquire. The waiter responds enthusiastically, "I highly recommend the grilled salmon. It's one of our favorites." Curious about other options, we ask, "What is your vegetarian option?" This sparks an engaging dialogue. The waiter replies, "We have a delicious mushroom risotto, perfect for vegetarians." The dish sounds tempting. As we mull over our choices, we ask, "How spicy is the chicken curry?" We want to be sure. The waiter chuckles, saying, "It's moderately spicy, but we can adjust it to your preference." Such flexibility is reassuring. Thanking the waiter, we express our excitement. We can't wait to try your recommendations. Deciding to order 2 dishes, we say, "Well, have the salmon and the mushroom risotto, please." As the waiter departs, we share our thoughts. I feel more comfortable using these phrases already. We take a moment to discuss what we hope for next. Should we look at dessert options later? With anticipation building, we consider asking about the dessert menu. What can we finish with? Luckily, the waiter returns with a smile, ready to tell us about dessert. We have a great chocolate lava cake. Intrigued, we ask, "Does it come with ice cream?" A perfect combination awaits us. The waiter nods enthusiastically. "Yes, it does. It's quite a treat. Would you like to order one?" Feeling adventurous, we agree, saying, "Yes, let's have one to share." A sweet ending is in sight. As our main dishes arrive, we say, "Thank you. Everything looks amazing." Gratitude fills the air. Digging in, we savor each bite, sharing reflections. The flavors are incredible. This is delightful. In between bites, we glance at each other and ponder our next phrases. Conversation flows smoothly. We ask the waiter once more, "Could we have some bread with the next course?" A small request for comfort. The waiter soon returns with warm bread, saying, "Here you go, enjoy. Our meal just got better." As we finish our meals, satisfied, we think about dessert. That cake better be as good as it sounds. Finally, we signal the waiter for the dessert. We're ready for the chocolate lava cake. As the dessert arrives, we smile in delight, saying, "This was a perfect dining experience." As the dessert plates are cleared, the waiter approaches, ready to take our main course order. Feeling excited, I confidently state, "I would like the chicken sandwich, please." My friend follows suit, asking for the veggie burger with a cheerful tone. The waiter nods, noting our choices, and asks about any sides we prefer. We ponder for a moment and decide on sweet potato fries, a nice twist. With our order finalized, the waiter emphasizes the freshness of the ingredients and share a fun fact about chicken sandwiches, highlighting their history and popularity. The waiter smiles, appreciating the enthusiasm, and leaves to send our order to the kitchen. While waiting, we discuss our favorite food memories connected to chicken sandwiches. Our conversation flows, blending stories about meals enjoyed in various places. Soon, the aroma of our food wafts through the air, building anticipation. Finally, our meals arrive, artfully plated, making our mouths water in delight. As we relish the beautifully presented dishes, conversation flows effortlessly among the group, sharing culinary delights and personal anecdotes. With plates now empty, the moment arises to settle the bill. A hand raises, signaling for the waiter's attention amidst the vibrant atmosphere. The waiter approaches, and it becomes crucial to ask for the bill in English. A simple phrase could bridge our communication effortlessly. We practice the phrase, "Could we have the bill, please?" repeating it until it rolls easily off our tongues, building our confidence. The bill arrives, prompting discussions about how to respectfully thank the waiter and finalize our dining experience with graciousness. As we prepare to leave, we reflect on the new phrases we've learned and their significance, ready to carry these skills forward